roads and wild paths. B is for bicycle, a fast and light ride for patrolling small streets. C is for car, the classic police car with flashing lights and sirens. D is for drone, a flying helper that watches from the sky. E is for electric scooter, a zippy little ride for quiet city patrols. F is for fire truck, police rescue unit, helps in emergencies with police rescue teams. G is for golf cart, used in parks, stadiums, and big events. H is for helicopter, flies high to fight trouble from above. I is for ice patrol vehicle, special vehicle for snowy or icy areas. J is for jet ski, races over water to catch the bad guys. K is for K9 unit van, a van for police dogs on duty. L is for Elenco Bearcat, a big armored truck used in dangerous missions. M is for motorcycle, fast and sleek for weaving through traffic.
For night patrol van, a special van used for night watch. O is for off-road vehicle, drives on dirt, sand, or rocky land. P is for patrol car, the everyday hero of the police force. Q is for quad bike, like an ATV, perfect for narrow paths. R is for ride control vehicle, a big truck for keeping crowds safe and calm. S is for SUV, a strong vehicle for tough roads and weather. T is for traffic police car, keeps the road safe and checks for speed. U is for undercover car, looks normal but used for secret missions. V is for van, carries police teams and gear to the scene. W is for water cannon truck, sprays water to control big crowds. X is for X-ray van, checks inside luggage or cars at borders. Y is for yacht, police boat, used on seas for guarding central zones. Z is for zoom drone, a drone with a zoom camera to spot details from far away.